Was that? You love peanuts? Okay, like the cartoon? I know. So planners, the planner guy? You like that? Okay. Now, well, so today, especially for you guys, I remember if I had to type something up, I had to do it on a typewriter. Do you know what a typewriter is? Okay, you have keyboards now, but I didn't have a keyboard back then. And then when I made a mistake, you know what I had to do? You get that little white strip, put it in there. You guys have no idea. So today you guys have computers. Yes?
I had ice cream for breakfast.
You had ice cream for breakfast? What a day. Your parents are amazing.
My
Like-
mommy letting me.
It's like that.
Morning I get cereal and
For this is so for the.
I get it put by the fruit and then I get a muffin.
Okay. All right, but you had ice cream today? That's crazy.
When I was at his mom's house, he gave me ice cream and whipped cream.
Okay, so we all want to stay at his house. Is what you're saying.
I want to, but I can't.
It reminds me of the Bill Cosby comedy thing where he gives his kids chocolate cake for breakfast. Do you remember that? Dad is great. Give us a chocolate cake.